In a world consumed by chaos and complexity, finding inner peace can feel like an impossible dream. We are bombarded with information, deadlines, and demands, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and out of control. But what if there was a way to navigate the turbulence of modern life with grace and resilience? Enter Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that offers timeless wisdom for modern success. Founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium, Stoicism counts among its practitioners such luminaries as Seneca, Epictetus, and the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. These great thinkers discovered that true happiness and fulfillment come not from external circumstances, but from our own thoughts and reactions to the world around us. This essay explores how the core principles of Stoicism can serve as a powerful toolkit for navigating the challenges of the 21st century. By understanding and applying these ancient teachings, we can cultivate inner strength, find clarity amidst confusion, and unlock our full potential. The first principle of Stoicism centers around a simple yet profound idea, the dichotomy of control. This principle teaches us to distinguish between what we can control, our thoughts, emotions, and actions, and what we cannot, external events, the opinions of others, and the inevitable ups and downs of life. Think about the last time you felt stressed or anxious. Was it because of a traffic jam, a critical comment from a colleague, or perhaps an unexpected bill? In each of these situations, the root of our suffering lies in our resistance to things we cannot change. Epictetus, a former slave who became one of the most influential Stoic philosophers, famously said, "There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will." By accepting what we cannot control, we free ourselves from unnecessary suffering and create space for peace and tranquility. At the heart of Stoic philosophy lies the unwavering belief in the transformative power of virtue. For the Stoics, living a virtuous life is the ultimate goal, the key to lasting happiness and fulfillment. But what does it mean to be virtuous in a modern context? The four cardinal virtues of Stoicism, wisdom, justice, courage, and temperance, provide a roadmap for living a life of purpose and integrity. Wisdom encourages us to seek knowledge and understanding, to question our assumptions, and to make decisions based on reason rather than emotion. Justice compels us to treat others with fairness, honesty, and respect, regardless of their background or beliefs. Courage empowers us to face our fears, to stand up for what we believe in, and to persevere through adversity. And temperance teaches us to practice self-control, to moderate our desires, and to find joy in simplicity. The Stoics understood that true growth and resilience come from embracing discomfort. They believed that by voluntarily stepping outside our comfort zones, we build inner strength and develop the ability to handle whatever life throws our way. In our modern world, we have countless opportunities to practice voluntary discomfort. We can take cold showers, engage in challenging conversations, or speak up in public. We can tackle a difficult project at work or commit to a physically demanding workout routine. While these activities may not be inherently enjoyable, they offer invaluable opportunities for growth. As the Stoic philosopher Seneca wrote, "The path of progress is neither swift nor easy." By embracing discomfort, we forge an unbreakable spirit capable of withstanding the inevitable storms of life. Section 5. A blueprint for modern living. Stoicism is not a relic of the past, but a dynamic philosophy that offers practical wisdom for navigating the complexities of modern life. Its principles provide a framework for cultivating resilience, finding inner peace, and living a life of purpose and meaning. In a world obsessed with external validation, Stoicism reminds us that true happiness comes from within. It teaches us to focus on what we can control, to pursue virtue relentlessly, and to embrace discomfort as a catalyst for growth. By incorporating these principles into our daily lives, we can transform our relationship with stress, adversity, and the relentless pursuit of success. Section 6. Facing challenges with grace. Life is full of challenges. We face setbacks in our careers, experience conflicts in our relationships, and grapple with uncertainty about the future. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, to let fear and anxiety dictate our actions. But Stoicism teaches us that we don't have to be at the mercy of our emotions. We can choose to respond to challenges with courage and resilience. We can view obstacles as opportunities for growth, setbacks as lessons learned, and failures as stepping stones on the path to success. Remember, it's not the events themselves that define us, but our response to them. By adopting a Stoic mindset, we can transform challenges into opportunities for growth and emerge from adversity stronger than ever before. Section 7. Stoicism in Action Daily Rituals. One of the most powerful aspects of Stoicism is its emphasis on practical application. It's not enough to simply read about Stoic principles. We must actively integrate them into our daily lives. One way to do this is through the practice of daily rituals. These rituals can be as simple or elaborate as you like, but they should serve as reminders of the Stoic principles you wish to embody. You might start your day with a few moments of reflection, focusing on what you're grateful for and setting an intention to approach the day with courage and clarity. You could incorporate mindfulness meditation into your routine, practicing the art of observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Throughout the day, you can use Stoic quotes as mental reminders to stay present, to focus on what you can control, and to approach challenges with a calm and rational mind. Section 8. Turning obstacles into opportunities. One of the most empowering aspects of Stoicism is its perspective on obstacles. Rather than viewing challenges as roadblocks to success, Stoicism encourages us to see them as opportunities for growth and learning. As the modern Stoic Ryan Holiday writes in his best-selling book, "The Obstacle is the Way," the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. This powerful idea reminds us that we have the power to choose our response to any situation. We can allow obstacles to defeat us, or we can use them as fuel for growth, innovation, and resilience. By embracing challenges with a Stoic mindset, we transform them from roadblocks into stepping stones, propelling us forward on our journey toward a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Section 9. The Enduring Legacy of Stoicism. Over 2,000 years after its inception, Stoicism remains a vital and relevant philosophy for modern times. Its timeless wisdom provides a roadmap for navigating the complexities of life, cultivating inner peace, and achieving lasting fulfillment. By embracing the core principles of Stoicism, the dichotomy of control, the pursuit of virtue, and the embrace of discomfort, we can transform our relationship with the world around us and unlock our full potential. As we face the inevitable challenges and uncertainties of life, let us remember the words of Ryan Holiday. The obstacle is the way. By embracing this powerful truth, we can turn adversity into advantage, fear into fuel, and obstacles into opportunities for growth, resilience, and lasting success.